Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we've got PanJam Investment Limited here, trading in their shares on the buy side. Connected party, buying up 250 shares, November 25th, 2021. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, trading in their shares as well. In this case, a connected party trading approximately 44,000 shares, November 25th, 2021. Now, interesting tidbit news here. Analysts upgrading Twitter and Square as Dorsey steps aside. This is Bank of America in this case, upgrading both stocks, both companies, seemingly looking at the move as a good one for both companies as Dorsey really focuses on his new baby at Square. He's passionate about Bitcoin, about fintech, and all of that good stuff. Letting Twitter now being run by his longtime employee at Twitter, but also by the company's CTO. So next up, we got Moderna coming out here. So we're seeing companies like Moderna, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson making back the headlines with a new variant coming out where Moderna is saying that they're contemplating a COVID vaccine to target the new variant that is out there. The CEO of Moderna is quoted as saying that it could take months to gain approval or clear a vaccine, plus that the new variant is still being observed even though it's impacting the Dow Jones dropping below 35,000 points and coming off again today. Now the takeaways are that it could be required as much as 100 days or less to get a vaccine out there, but it might be better to do a higher dose of the booster and it could be more effective overall. But the bottom line is we'll see what happens now with share prices or stocks in Moderna, Pfizer and these companies as the variant or the COVID overall, the pandemic is making the headlines again here. Last up now, Metto, the new brand, really Facebook owned. So although they're calling it Metto, the headlines are stating, Facebook owned, getting some pushback by British regulators with this company over there, Giphy, where basically Metto is going in, wants to buy out the business, get more social media users and advertisers. Now, the objective was clearly to integrate this business into the Instagram app. Now, what the British regulators are saying is that some of the concerns were that Facebook already controls 73% of the user time spent of social media users in the UK and nearly half of the British pound, 7 billion spent for display ad market. So clearly they're concerned about probably antitrust or let's say monopoly issues there in the UK. We'll see what pans out, but Facebook, or let's call it Metto, a huge dominating force here, not just in the US, but clearly globally, and with the UK, we see what happens here with Metto. I'm Mark Croskery, this is Business Live.